Hey there, my beautiful hair friends. This is Jenny, and Jenny needs to move up that perps. So here we go. We're using Magix 10 with the new charcoal lightener and the purple additive because she's between a 5 and a 6. And I'm using my Nomad hair foil board. We are doing deep weaves. We're doing a little teasy light. We're feathering it up towards the base, and we're going in deep. Now, I'm not really going like I need to go crazy, like making sure this is beautiful, because I'm going to cover all this up with vivid hair color. So I'm just feathering it up towards the base because we do want some sort of a gradient, just leaving those ends in so we can get the effervescence of it. And that's what we wound up with. Now I'm going to go in with some deep weaves. We're going to use purples, blues, pinks. That's Jenny's signature color. She looks absolutely gorgeous with it. Just wait till I'm done with it. You guys are going to be like, ooh la la. It's going to look so pretty. I use Olaplex in everything that I do. And in between, I stop oxidation. And I use my Olaplex #2 when I'm done. I rinse in cold water. I do not shampoo, guys. And if you want that unicorn hair care guide, don't forget to comment unicorn down below and you can get that. So you know how my vivid stay awesome for 10 to 12 weeks. In between, I'm done painting, guys. I'm going to curl her up and look how gorgeous she looks. Ah, she's so cute. Look at how pretty that looks, guys. Don't forget to comment unicorn down below to get that guide. Don't forget to like, follow, and share.
Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.